Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss a common features of MacBook that you can use on a day-to-day basis. And in case you have purchased a new MacBook specially for the MacBook purposes, and still you're using it as a Windows laptop, like normal gestures, opening and closing up windows like a normal Windows user. So today's video is going for you. Okay guys, so let's dive in for the first feature that is very useful for you. Like, just click on this Apple icon, then click on System Settings, and within the system settings you will find accessibility. Just click on this one, and within accessibility you will find pointer control. Just click on this one, and then you need to click on this trackpad option, and you need to enable use trackpad for it. Then you need to enable use trackpad for dragging, and then select this drop down to three fingers track and click on OK, and here you go, your option is enabled. You just need to just click on this fire and then use your three fingers, and then just you can move it like this one like this, and you can easily manage your windows as per requirements. I hope this is helpful for you. Let's move on to the next feature. Yeah, so for next one is also very helpful if you work on data mostly on the MacBook, and you create folders and segregate your data as per the requirement within the folder. So just open Finder, then click on View, and then enable Show Path Bar. And once you enable Show Path Bar, then you will see like you're able to see the paths within the folder, like in which folder you are currently. So this way you can use it very efficiently. Like let's say within Zoom, I have these multiple Zoom folder, and as you click on the Zoom folder, and you can easily go to the first folder by clicking on this one. Hey guys, so number three is very easy. Just open any Finder window and then click on this view, and then go to Customize Toolbar, and you can you can use this AirDrop feature and add it here. So it is very helpful if you are if just like in, so it is very helpful if you use your iPhone to drag and drop the feature the files or folder. So just let's say uh, so you can easily select the file and folder and then click on this AirDrop, and it can easily AirDrop you to the required devices. I hope these features will increase your MacBook experience day by day. So let's stay connected for more multiple important features. Thank you.